Imagine your body as a bustling planet, teeming with trillions of tiny creatures. These microscopic residents, bacteria, fungi, viruses, and more, make up your microbiome, an invisible ecosystem you carry everywhere. Far from being invaders, these microbes are your lifelong partners, evolving alongside you for thousands of years. Think of it as your own internal zoo, filled with diverse species, each with a unique job. They act as zookeepers, gardeners, and security guards, keeping your body running smoothly from head to toe. Your microbiome is as unique as your fingerprint, with different communities living in your gut, skin, mouth, and even your lungs. The gut, especially the large intestine, is the most crowded neighborhood, warm, dark, and full of food for microbes to thrive. On your skin, they form a protective barrier. In your mouth, they help start digestion. For centuries, we saw microbes only as germs to be eliminated. But science now shows most are essential for our health. They help us digest food, protect us from disease, and even shape our immune system. Your microbiome is a fundamental part of being human. Understanding this hidden world is like discovering a new organ, one made of countless tiny partners. These microbes are not just along for the ride, they're vital to your survival. Every day, your inner zoo works behind the scenes to keep you alive and well. So, next time you think about yourself, remember, you're not alone. You're a walking, talking ecosystem. Welcome to your inner zoo. Who are these tiny tenants? The stars of your microbiome are bacteria, mostly harmless, often helpful, and only rarely troublemakers. They come in all shapes and sizes, each adapted to a specific job. Fungi, like yeasts, are also part of the mix. Most live peacefully, helping maintain balance. Viruses are here too, but many don't harm us. They target bacteria, acting as population control. These bacteriophages keep any one type of bacteria from taking over, ensuring diversity. Then there are archaea, ancient single-celled organisms that help break down waste in your gut. Think of them as the cleanup crew, keeping your microbial city tidy. Together, bacteria, fungi, viruses, and archaea form a complex, fascinating team. Each group interacts, competes, and cooperates, creating a balanced ecosystem. When everything is in harmony, your microbiome supports your health in countless ways. But if the balance tips, problems can arise. That's why diversity is key. More types of microbes mean a more resilient system. Your microbial roommates are always at work, shaping your health from the inside out. They're not just passengers, they're essential partners. So the next time you hear bacteria or virus, remember, most are friends, not foes. Your inner world is a thriving community, and you're the host. Your gut microbes are expert chefs, helping you digest food your body can't handle alone. Fiber, found in fruits, veggies, and whole grains, is their favorite dish. While our cells can't break down fiber, gut bacteria ferment it, unlocking nutrients and creating short-chain fatty acids. These fatty acids strengthen your gut wall, keeping harmful substances out and nutrients in. Without these microbial chefs, much of the goodness in your food would go to waste. They also produce essential vitamins like vitamin K and B vitamins, acting as a 24/7 vitamin factory. This partnership is symbiosis. You provide a home and food, they keep you healthy. It's a win-win perfected over millions of years. Your microbes extract extra energy, make vital nutrients, and protect your gut lining. Every meal you eat, they're hard at work. So thank your tiny chefs. They're essential members of Team Human. Your health depends on their culinary skills. Your immune system is your body's army, but it doesn't fight alone. From birth, your microbiome trains your immune cells, teaching them friend from foe. This early education helps prevent allergies and autoimmune diseases by promoting tolerance. Think of it as security guards learning who belongs in the building. A healthy, diverse microbiome calibrates your immune system, reducing overreactions. Good microbes also crowd out harmful invaders, leaving little room for pathogens. Some even produce natural antibiotics, fighting off bad bacteria directly. Your microbiome is both a trainer and a shield, protecting you from infection. When your microbial community thrives, your immune system is smarter and stronger. It's a partnership that keeps you safe every day. So, your best defense isn't just your immune cells, it's your entire microbial team. Together, they form your first line of defense. A healthy microbiome means a resilient you. Here's a mind-bending fact. You have more microbial cells than human cells. The average adult has about 30 trillion human cells, but around 38 trillion microbial ones. In a real sense, you're more microbe than human. You're a superorganism, a walking, talking ecosystem of many species. The numbers get wilder with genes. Your human genome has about 20,000 genes, but your microbiome may have millions. For every human gene, you carry at least 100 microbial genes. These extra genes give you abilities you never evolved on your own, like digesting tough fibers, making vitamins, and fighting toxins. Your microbes expand your potential, acting as an upgradable software library. Many essential jobs are outsourced to your microbial partners. They help you adapt, survive, and thrive in ways your human cells alone never could. You're not just a collection of human cells. You're a fusion of human and microbial life. This partnership is at the core of who you are. So when you think about you, remember, you're a community, not a solo act. Your microbes are your oldest companions. Together, you are more than the sum of your parts. Did you know your gut and brain are in constant conversation? This gut-brain axis is a two-way street, with microbes sending signals to your mind. The main line is the vagus nerve, but microbes also send chemical messages through the bloodstream. Some gut bacteria help produce serotonin and dopamine, key mood chemicals. In fact, most of your body's serotonin is made in the gut, influenced by your microbes. Studies show that changing gut bacteria can change animal behavior. Anxious mice become calm with the right microbes. In humans, an imbalanced microbiome is linked to anxiety, depression, and stress. A diverse, healthy gut can mean a happier, more resilient mind. This opens new doors for mental health, treating the gut to help the brain. Everything in your body is connected, and your microbes are part of that network. They don't just digest food, they influence how you feel and think. Your gut is whispering to your brain every day. Take care of your microbes, and they'll help take care of your mind. Antibiotics are life-saving drugs, but they can devastate your microbiome. Most antibiotics act like bombs, killing harmful bacteria, but also wiping out helpful ones. After a course of antibiotics, your gut can become a microbial ghost town, with diversity plummeting. This disruption can cause immediate problems like diarrhea and long-term issues if diversity doesn't fully recover. Some sensitive species may be lost forever, leaving you more vulnerable to future infections. A classic example is a bacterium that can take over after antibiotics clear out its competition, causing severe illness. Your microbiome is like a forest after a wildfire. It may regrow, but it's never quite the same. That's why antibiotics should be used only when truly necessary. Every dose risks damaging your inner ecosystem. Protecting your microbiome means using antibiotics wisely. When you do need them, support recovery with a healthy, fiber-rich diet. Remember, your microbial world is precious. Treat it with care, and it will protect you in return. Balance is key to lasting health. Your microbiome is like a garden, and your food is the fertilizer. Every meal shapes your microbial community. Fiber-rich foods feed the best microbes. A diverse plant-based diet, fruits, veggies, legumes, nuts, seeds, whole grains, creates a vibrant inner ecosystem. Each type of fiber feeds different good bacteria, boosting diversity and resilience. Processed foods and excess sugar feed less helpful microbes, tipping the balance. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and kimchi add beneficial bacteria directly. Prebiotics, special fibers in foods like garlic, onions, and bananas, supercharge your good microbes. The more variety in your diet, the more variety in your microbiome. Think of yourself as a gardener, planting, feeding, and nurturing your inner world. A healthy microbiome starts with what's on your plate. Choose color, variety, and fiber for a thriving inner garden. Your tiny residence will thank you with better health. You are what you feed your microbes. Caring for your microbiome is caring for yourself. Eat a rainbow of plant foods to nourish your good microbes. Include fermented foods for a probiotic boost. Limit processed foods and sugary drinks. They disrupt your inner balance. Exercise, sleep, and stress management also support a healthy microbiome. Time in nature and even having a pet can enrich your microbial diversity. Remember, you're not just feeding yourself, you're feeding your entire superorganism. Health is more than the absence of disease. It's a thriving, balanced inner community. By nurturing your microbes, you nurture your own well-being. They are your smallest allies and oldest companions. Listen to your gut, Feed it well, and your microbes will work for you. You are an ecosystem. Treat yourself like one. Your microscopic world is the foundation of your health.